Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to a new video on the Jito. Obviously, I had to make a video on that yesterday. If you missed it, yesterday I made a video on Jito, what it is, and if you should buy the project long term. If you're still interested in that, check that out. Just go to the channel, just click away right now, and you'll find it as one of the last videos. It's this one, should you buy Jito? But in this video, we'll still talk about the project a little bit, but then we'll also take a look at the price, which is the first time I'm doing that. In a video, at least, I've been looking at the price, quite often. I bought personally yesterday at $2 just for fun. I bought it at $2 quite quick after launch, so I'm actually quite lucky that it bounced back up, because at some point of time it was at 1.66. I didn't buy too much, but alright. I mean, I had to have exposure to Jito. That's also the conclusion in my last video. Should you buy Jito? Yes. Alright. But yeah, let's take a look at the technicals right now, because the technicals are very interesting. All right, because Jito, obviously, since yesterday evening, it has rallied a lot. Like at the max, it actually rallied 100%, which is amazing and also deserved. I mean, Jito, if you look at it right now, it's pretty crazy. The volume is over $1.2 billion, I believe, and I think it's only still increasing. So it's pretty ridiculous. This is one of the biggest launches we've had in a long time. And it really shows you the power of airdrops, but that's not what I want to. That's not why you clicked on this video. But it's great, all right. It's also a great project. It just right now it has a market cap of $300 million. It's pretty similar to Lido DAO, and Lido DAO has a market cap of $2.15 billion. Now, obviously, Solana is smaller than Ethereum, but if you think Solana is going to grow compared to Ethereum, it's a great buy. So if you look at the technicals, though, right now, the story is a bit different. And I'll tell you why. First of all, the open interest right here over the last day has been up and down. All right, obviously, it's not listed on most futures platforms yet, but you can see that it's really up and down. It's really going down right now. Then if you look at the technicals, then sure, it rallied 100%, but since then we had quite a significant bearish break at 4 a.m. We made some sort of a double top formation here at $3.2, and since then you can also see with the EMAs the price has been relatively flat, and you could even argue that since the double top has been made, we've actually been trending down. Now, before I talk more about this, and before we talk more about these technicals, I do want to say that this is the 5-minute time frame, all right? And the more experienced analysts under you will say you cannot analyze on the 5-minute time frame, and you're right, all right? You cannot analyze this in a very good way. But you are able to say something. I mean, it is respecting the key levels, the EMAs, and the trend lines, or, well, at least usually it is. So what I need to see right now is a bullish breakout, all right? Because the trend right now is bringing the price down to the 302 fib at 2.65, and at this moment it also looks likely that it will drop down lower towards 2.6 and potentially 2.5. And if it drops down to 2.5 and the level around the 0.5 Fibonacci level, this is basically completely filled with support. So that would still be fine, and I would even say that that's most likely right now. A continued drop down to 2.55 and 2.5. But from there, we do need to find support, because Jito has already found so much, or there have been such strong support levels for Jito, and it hasn't reacted that bullish to it. So what needs to happen, especially like it would be amazing if it happens from 2.65, but it needs to happen at least from the 2.5 area, is a bullish breakout above this level right here at 2.9. And if Jito is able to do that, then we're rallying. Then we're rallying probably, like my next price target would probably be 3.75. There's a Fibonacci extension level, but apart from that, you can also see that Jito, the last two resistance levels have been 2.75 and then 3.25. So there's a 0.5 gap. Sometimes it works if you put another 0.5 gap on top of that, which would bring us to 3.75. I actually do think this is most likely, but like I said, I have already bought some, but I'm not entering a trade until I've seen that bullish confirmation, that bullish breakout. Because if Jito is not able to find that support and that breakout from 2.5 rather quickly, and 2.5 breaks, it's just going to keep falling, all right? So yeah, I'm bullish on Jito, but we do need to see some strong support reaction and then a bullish breakout. Otherwise, I wouldn't jump in, all right, anymore. But those are my thoughts on Jito for now. So if you do have any questions, let me know. If you're interested in some more value from me, then you can also join my premium and signals group. Links to that will be down in the description. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening. Take care and bye.